Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today we'll be showing you how to make juicy, tangy and refreshing radish. These are the needed ingredients for this recipe. First, you're going to slice some radish. When done, transfer to a plate and spread evenly. Now you're going to take a lemon and slice it in half. Now squeeze half a lemon on top of the radish and then sprinkle some salt. Finally, you're going to add some tahini on top. Your tangy radish is ready to be served. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more recipes. We'll see you next time.